In this question, you're given that line passes through the point 45 and makes an angle of 30 degrees with x-axis. You're asked to find the equation of the line. And in the second part, you're asked to find the point on this line which is at a distance of 4 units from the point P. So again, the first question is very straightforward. The line is passing through the point 45 and it is making an angle of 30 degrees with x-axis. The slope is nothing but tan 30 degrees, which is equal to 1 by root 3. So once you have slope and a point, the equation of line is y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. This implies y root 3 minus 5 root 3 is equal to x minus 4. This implies x minus y root 3 is equal to 4 minus 5 root 3. So this is the equation of the required line. Now you are asked to find a point at a distance of 4 units from P. So in the second subpart, I'll use the distance form. So I have x is equal to x1 plus r cos theta, y is equal to y1 plus r sin theta. Now if you draw the diagram of this line, the line is passing through the point 4, 5. The line is making an angle of 30 degrees with x-axis. This angle is something like 30 degrees. So I'm drawing a rough diagram. Now you're asked to find a point on this line which is at a distance of 4 units from P. So as you can see, there are 2 points on this line. One on this side, the other on this side, right? Such that these two lengths are 4. So you're asked to find this point as well as this point. So one point is 4 units from the point P in the forward direction. One point is 4 units from P in the backward direction. So in one direction r will be positive, the other direction r will be negative. So x is equal to x1 is 4 plus minus, because r can be either plus 4 or minus 4. 4 times cos 30 degrees is root 3 by 2. That is 4 plus or minus 2 root 3. And y is equal to y1, which is 5 plus or minus r times sin 30 degrees is 1 by 2. That is 5 plus or minus 2. So the required points are 4 plus 2 root 3, 7, or so if you take plus, get 4 plus 2 root 3 here, 7 here, or 4 minus 2 root 3, 3. So these are the 2 required points. Thank you.